Welcome to another unit in this SQL course. In the last unit, I explained how I can get, one or two or more columns extracted from an already existing table. And that I've done with the query, which output I see here, and the corresponding SQL code. So I have select, then I have the first variable or the first column, the second column. And to make it a bit more easier to follow what I'm actually or where I'm getting the data from, I'm always going to write the from employees here, and then I put the employees in front of the variable name. That's already quite a long word, and this could lead to quite some problems if I just misspell this, or if I have to just type in all the time again, if I have to consider upper lowercase letters. So there's a lot of room for mistakes. So how could I avoid this, make it a bit easier? That I can do by using aliases. Aliases insofar that in the lower part where I write from, I can simply add an S and I call this E. So I'm more or less renaming this table in the context of this query. And if I call this E here, I can just work with the E. So I only have to put E dot first name here and E dot last name. This will do exactly the same thing as the much longer version with employees dot first name, employees dot last name. I just save this. We can switch to the data view and we see here it's exactly the same output. So if I use these aliases, if I just go with the S and then use a new name for this, I can avoid quite a lot of errors. And if I have similar sounding tables, I can also use aliases here, which makes it much easier for an outsider to understand which of the tables I'm actually working with, what they're representing. So that's basically it. That's all I wanted to talk about in this session. So I hope you enjoyed it. I say goodbye and see you next time.